In this video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite, most entertaining, most educational, and most engaging YouTube channels that I've found on YouTube. So let me share my screen and we will get started. So the first one, if you haven't seen this guy before, is going to be Michael Reeves. If you haven't heard of Michael Reeves, he builds absolutely ridiculous creations using, well, normally just basic Python or some other languages, but I know he definitely uses Python to build these ridiculous projects. So he built this shitty surgery robot in an ejector chair that when you sit on it, all it does is kick you back. And a lot of these really silly and dumb creations that are amazing. And actually, it's crazy that he's able to build these so well. Like he built a drone swarm, tomato spike, trigger me Elmo that says a bunch of really offensive stuff whenever you touch him. And let's see, he's got the little peen there. He built this gun. Yeah, he has a lot of really fun videos. And I'm pretty sure Pokimane was in one of these. So let's see. I'm gonna turn on my sound and we will check him out. Let's see, surgery robot. And yeah, it should play the sound here. Yeah, so I've already watched this a bunch.
I'll let you borrow it for a bit. Remember, stay in school, smoke crack, fuck you DaVinci robots, bye.
Yeah, so
this YouTube video is sponsored by Raycon. I have to send them this ad early and they're gonna have no fucking idea what's going on. Raycons are super convenient wireless earbuds that come in at about half the price
so we built
of
this
any other
thing.
premium option. But it's not a sacrifice. Hey, how's everyone's global health crisis going? My house is on full goddamn quarantine, and I'll probably be dead in a week anyway. Not from the virus, like a electrocution accident or something. It's actually giving me a lot of free time, and what better way to spend free time right now than to help
he actually shows a lot of his
industry.
stuff.
Now, I can't do any chemistry.
And yeah, definitely check out his channel if you haven't already.
Come on, please.
Let's see. So yeah, he built this whole machine. It's basically this big robot that he calls a medical robot and has a knife attached to it. And he's able to control it using his hand.
Is the system
so it's really dank.
that anyone can do surgery
Let's
with
see.
no... Oh, it's okay.
Oh yeah. So let's see. This is the part where Pokimane comes up, I think. Yeah.
If we can bring someone from 0 skill level all the way up to the ability of a surgeon. Shoot up right in front of, not too close, because it's kind of dangerous. So just put your hand out.
Yeah, you see, it has the little AI tracker on the left.
Could you just put your
There's
hand out above
Pokimane
the
screaming.
So,
Okay, you see, there's her hand. Now
she
can control it.
Further away from you. We're gonna make a small incision right above the ear. So there's summa 6. Okay, so you're doing it wrong. Okay, so.
Alright, so that's the first one. You can continue watching by checking out his channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Next one is going to be the Primogen. Now, this guy, he gives super entertaining, basically tutorials on Vim. He writes a lot of Vim tutorials. Let's see, and I think he using GitHub Copilot. He trash talks everything that's not Vim basically, and VS Code and a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, so let's check out one of his videos. So his most recent one is, let's see, I have a confession. No, it's not that one, or maybe it is. I don't know. Let's see.
All right, so Copilot is out for NeoVim, and I want to take it out for a spin. So we're going to do that. We're going to build a small CLI game, little marble trading game, the one that appears in Squid Games, okay? We're going to do it together. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see how rowdy Copilot is. All right, so quick explanation of the game if you're not familiar. Effectively, you have 2 players, 1 and you have 2. They going to be something that returns a promise.string, promise string do, and then let's return that input. So we're gonna go like this: class human player implements player. Perfect.
Okay, so maybe so like some of them are more like just tutorial based, and then most of them are like they're pretty good. 1 quality to avoid. Yeah, so he gives pretty good advice. Like not all of them are like just extremely entertaining, but like some of them are more educational, but most of them are both. So let's see. Quick fix lists.
All of the them because they're gonna definitely speed up your workflow. So let's kind of go over the whole 9 yards. We'll start off with what are they, how to navigate them, some sweet remaps that I have, some advanced usages, and then even setting your own data in Quick Fix list.
Yeah, so his channel's really dank.
There are two types of Quick Fix
He's
lists.
actually
First, there is the Quick Fix list.
He actually he's one of the main channels that I was watching when I was first learning Vim. Of course, the best place to learn stuff is the documentation, like I said in a previous video this year. Yeah, he was one of the people that helped me like get started and try to understand just some of the stuff here. So yeah, he's got his channel. He's got he has like a full tutorial walkthrough on how to use Vim. So let's see. Vim as your editor. Yeah, so he teaches you like foundations and all of this stuff. I might end up making similar, not exactly like his, but similar training videos just to show you where to learn on your own, and maybe teach you some of the tricks I use. So yeah, if you want to learn how to code faster and have just pretty much feel good after watching one of his like videos, because he is a funny dude and he has a lot of really great energy. Next, Stefan Mischuk. So this guy, he actually helped me learn HTML, CSS, and Java, like initial JavaScript from scratch. He is the founder of Killersites.com, so he has a bunch of tutorials there. He says he's like 69 or 169 years old. Of course he's not, but he jokes on this all the time. He makes fun of Ruby, and he gives really solid just general developer advice. So not only can he code, and he has a ton of experience in software development professionally, and has his own software agency and all of that stuff. He also records videos almost daily, so similar to what I'm doing now, but he's been doing it for much longer. So this guy is awesome. And let's see. Yeah, so if we just look at some of his videos, he talks about like low code platforms, no code platforms, versus like coding. Let's see. A lot of life lessons. So he used to be a boxer. He's I think he has a lot of cool experience overall. AI and machine learning. And yeah, he has a ton of videos and a lot of really cool content. So definitely check him out. He's a really chill old dude. Like let's see. Well, functional programming. We can just check out one of his later videos. Let's see, what stops people from programming? Okay, so some of them are pretty long, and he does a lot of live streams.
Hey guys,
I believe.
how are you?
So let's see.
But
he also does a lot of shorter videos as well. Yeah, so that's a live stream. Let's go. When should a developer go do new job? Broke at 50. Should you learn to code? Yeah, and he gives a lot of like general just life and health advice for developers and stuff as well.
Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Uncle Steph. So,
yeah.
Why is learning React as your first technology
Ancient nerd wizard.
a bad idea? Well, because to actually be able to program in React effectively, you have to understand the technologies that are underneath React. That includes HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. People jump to learning React right away with no prior experience in coding because they think they're going to cheat their way to the high-paying job. They figure, wow, I'll just skip ahead.
And he talks really smoothly. Like in his videos, it's very refined, and he doesn't really say like a lot like I do. Like he's very comfortable in front of the camera now. And yeah,
common story that I get from people time and time.
He gives really solid advice. So he's not as much on the entertaining side. He is entertaining, but not as much as the other two channels.
They still don't understand what they're doing. They still don't have a job. They're frustrated.
He's got a really chill vibe to him, and yeah, he's really cool. He also has a mentorship program that I'm in. That I need to use research a bit more. So yeah, so he's one of the really cool ones. And the last one, which some of you probably already know this guy, but there's a guy named Lex Friedman. Now, he is a programmer. He doesn't explicitly teach people how to code, but he gives super amazing interviews and asks really good questions. He's friends with Joe Rogan, Elon Musk, and a lot of other really smart and high-tech people. Not that, well, okay, we'll put that in the category of Elon Musk, not as much Joe Rogan, but like he's interviewed like the guy who invented Python, Peter Wang, who's a really big name apparently. My friend told me about him, but I haven't checked him out yet personally. But But yeah, like his Python or the videos where he talks to people who have worked with Python, and I believe he has a data science and something else background. I don't quite remember. I'm a bit newer to his channel, but I have watched some of his videos like extremely deeply. And he did an interview with Elon Musk recently that was amazing. Like it's not just fun questions, but it's actually educational and really deep. And like even Elon Musk is like thinking really hard in these questions. So it's unlike anything you've really seen before. Uh, and yeah, this guy is awesome. So with that being said, that's pretty much everything. So these guys are the top ones on my list. And yeah. So, all right. So that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any more interesting YouTubers that you like to watch on coding or this sort of stuff in general. And I would love to learn about those, maybe make a video in the future and feature them as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave all their links in the descriptions, and yeah, like, subscribe, all that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.